vehicle? Check out the 2017 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, trip computer, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.